Hey guys, today I'm very excited because in this video I'm gonna show you a nice trick to make money online with a level strategy. So buckle up and now let's get started. And the main hero in our today's video, that is TopCashBack.com, one of the best and the most honest cashback websites out there, where you can find thousands of these stores with decent cashback rewards. And for sure, if you don't know how cashback works, so if anyone purchases something from these stores regarding any topic about any niche, he will get a percentage of what he actually paid. So why Riemann shows us this amazing website TopCashBack? Because here you can make money online from this amazing website in two different ways, directly and indirectly way. And the direct way, here you can find related brands that you can leverage to make money online in your projects. For example, this one, that is envatoelements-avast-avira and envatoe.ai. Yes, you heard that right. TopCashBack offers this amazing platform with a great cashback offer. Here, if you go for month subscription through TopCashBack, you will get 50% cashback. Or if you go annual subscription, you will get 25%. Not only that, if you go down a little bit, here you can find in-video promotions regarding envatoe.ai and envatoe studio. So all you have to do, just you can use these coupons in envatoe and you will subscribe and pay, and you will get 50% cashback as you see. So you can select one of these beautiful offers as you like, it's up to you. Then you can get reward as you observe. So this way you can purchase and join and subscribe to envatoe at its half price, literally. And not only that, in video here on TopCashBack, you can find many of these relevant and amazing stores. Hitpo.com. For sure, we all know Hitpo, one of the best platforms out there to enhance videos, voice changing and much more. And here you will get this amazing offer, 50% cashback. And as well as Munch, one of the best websites to turn videos into shorts with a mind-blowing offer. Here, if you go for annual subscription, you will get over $150 as you see. For this one, Shutterstock for sure, and for McAfee, the antivirus software, NordVPN, 90% cashback improved lately, and so on. And not only that, and on the other hand, you can find another branch of TopCashBack, that is topcashback.co.uk. Here you can find other amazing offers, like this one for veed.io. It's an amazing platform to edit your videos online with amazing AI features. You can get cashback 30%. For this one, CCleaner software, you can get 90% cashback. And this one, AVG for antivirus softwares, and Norton cashback as you see. And for this one, Adobe cashback with all these tools as you observe. And this one, envatoelements, here if you make annual subscription, you will get back €100 cash back as you see. Amazing, isn't it? So the first way to make money online from TopCashBack in two different branches, you can get purchase from these amazing websites and stores through TopCashBack, and you will get cash back as you like. So you can save your money to your pocket, and on the other hand, you can leverage the software or the website you are subscribing in, like envatoe in our case, or Hitpo, AVG, and so on and so forth. And here the first way. And the second way to make money online from TopCashBack is that you can find up there what says refer and earn $35 for every single person you are referring here on this website. So if you click over this option, here you would have this referral link. So if anyone you refer to this platform and he purchases something from any store he likes, you will get back this amazing cashback reward as you see. So here a good question comes up. If I would like to direct our friends and our audience to a specific landing page or a specific product here or an offer here on TopCashback like Hitpo, AVG, envatoe, and so on. So here if you go a little bit down here, you can find this link, our link generator. So click over this one, and here all you need to do, just you can insert here the merchant name, like in our case anything like Shutterstock, Munch, Hitpo, and something like that. So you can promote Hitpo, for example, this one, and you click over this button, fill the link, and here you will get your own link that directs anyone to this landing page or this offer directly. So if I copy this one and just you can test it out here, Ctrl V, and here you will landing on this page that gives me this cashback. So if I click over this button, I will be taken to Hitpo to subscribe it regularly. Then I will get cashback here. This person, your friend and your audience, your visitors will get cashback like 50% cashback, and you will get $35 like a boss. That way you can make money online from TopCashback in its two branches, the global one or the British one. So how we can actually promote these offers to make money online? Here I will give you an amazing trick. First of all, if you want to promote Hitpo as an example, you can go to Google, and here you can look for any review about Hitpo or envatoe as you like. So I would like search for review, okay, and here you can find tons of these articles that talk about this amazing website and this software. Like this one, Hitpo review 2024 pros and cons. So I will get this one, copy its link, copy link address, and now we can head over to this amazing website that is koala.sh. It's an AI platform that contains a bunch of beautiful AI tools. So I will select this one, Koala Writer, and here in this page I will select this model GPT-4o. And here in this article type, I would click over this drop down menu and go down to rewrite blog post. Then I inserted this URL. Okay, and here if you want to add any target keyword like Hitpo and so on, and select your tone of voice. So I would keep all these settings as they are and create your article or rewrite it in other words as you see. So your article would be written here in its new suite. So it's time now to publish these articles everywhere and containing your referral link to Hitpo offer on TopCashback. And now how we can and where we can publish these articles. In the first place, you can promote this article and this offer using these amazing articles on medium.com and livejournal.com and so on and so forth. And for sure you can find down below in the description box in the first comment a big list of over 300 guest posting websites where you can actually promote your articles as you see and get referrals and many visitors to your TopCashback landing page. And I will give you another trick. Here you can promote this article. So I can go back to this article. You can use this article to promote it on social media using many landing pages. One of them is Google site. So you can go for Google and right here Google site and click over the first option, and here you can go to this blank site where you can open your landing page or your new website. So here you can customize it as you like. It's up to you, just by inserting enter your site name like Hitpo review, pros and cons as I said earlier, and here you can upload any photo from the Hitpo website that you can get for free by a screenshot and something like that. And here you can go to the most important part by making your main part of your article and your website. So here you can go to this one text box, and now we can go back our Koala SH writer, and now we can copy the whole article from this one and go back to our Google site and insert here like this one as you see. So now it's time to monetize this article by using your referral link that directs people to TopCashback offer of Hitpo. So I can go back to TopCashback website, and here I want to promote this landing page to my audience. So I would go to this one, refer and earn, and go down to our link generator and insert here this hit build link as you see. So I now copy this one, and now we can go back to our landing page on Google site. Here, after a couple of paragraphs, you can insert your call to action with your link. So for example, I will take this area, and here you can insert any call to action like save 50% off and hit subscription and so on. And for sure you can generate more of these call to actions using ChatGPT or any AI tool as you like. So here I will get different suggestions like this one, for example. Okay, perfect. Copy and insert your referral link from TopCashBack. Go to this one, insert link, apply, make it bold, make it bigger a little bit to be more visible. And for sure you can repeat the same call to actions, or you can make a variety of these call to actions to grab more attention to these call to actions and these offers as you see. So when you're done, just you can publish your website and you start promoting this landing page on Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and so on and so forth. So you can leverage this trick and this strategy to get huge visitors to your TopCashBack offers, and if anyone makes a purchase, you will get your cashback like a boss. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave us a comment section. See you in the next video.